Affinity Photo has a powerful composition feature, the undo brush. You can use it to reapply all kinds of images that you've stored away as a snapshot. So how to do this? Key thing is you must have a layer. So go to Layer and New. And then go to the undo brush, and you can find that in the Tools panel. So Affinity Photo's Tools panel, undo brush. Select that. You've got a number of options here. I'm going to go with 500. You can use any of the brushes. I'm using oil. But the key thing is you must select a snapshot. So click. And you just see it highlighted there. And then just apply. Just apply. And that is using a snapshot. That was something I created earlier. I will show you how to create a snapshot in a few minutes. Maybe go to another snapshot and you can see that one says face. So click that, make certain it's highlighted, and then apply the brushstroke. And the design, the image that's created, is applied exactly where it was in the original. So the original design, that's where the face was in this document. So it's just applied exact same. It's not like the clone brush where you can start applying the clone somewhere else. It's only applied at that point. So you can see the design there. And of course you could use any brush, so you don't have to just use oil. You could use any of these other ones. Dry media is another one. And apply that to create all kinds of different images. You can also set up a number of snapshots. I've got one here for blurred. So click there and apply this. Now it does obviously require a little bit of planning. So you place the objects where you want to actually add them, but you can paint them in very quickly. However, there is of course a workaround. If you want to reposition it, all you need to do, go to the Move tool. So the Move tool, you can reposition this. This is a layer, so you can position it over here. So you say you want it there. And then again, go back to the undo brush and apply again. And then you can build up this image. Just build up multiple copies of that. And again, you've got that blurred design there and there. So you could use maybe text. You could have pattern layers. You could have anything, or maybe different effects. So motion blur is one. And apply again. And you can then see a motion blur effect is added. Now you can add it also using blend mode. So you can go for darken. So just apply it like that in darken mode. Or maybe go with difference and apply it, which maybe is not, of course, always the best result. Or exclusion. All kinds of different designs can be created. Now, what you can also do is once you've got this, you might want to create a snapshot from this. You think, wow, that's a great design, or you've applied some effects. Let's just apply effects. So filters, distort and deform. And add some distortions there very quickly. You can distort the image, create some really weird and wonderful backgrounds, and click apply. So you've got that design. To create a snapshot, go to the window menu and snapshots and click this little plus. So a little plus there, and then you can call it something. Obviously deform, blue, and click OK. Now you can use that. So if I want to, I could remove this, don't have to continue, or I could paint on top of it or resize it. Maybe start doing that. So again, undo brush, make sure you select it, click there, and then apply again. Now that's using exclusion. I don't want that, so I'm just going to go for just normal. Just apply it. And now you can see you've got your deform design added again on top of that original one, but obviously clearly in a different position. And again, simply go to the Move tool, move it somewhere else. Again, go back to the undo and apply it again. And you can build up all kinds of complex pattern designs very rapidly just by a simple act of moving and reapplying using the undo. Or again, select something else. Maybe go for this one, multiples. So you can get multiple. I created that using a snapshot of different, obviously, multiple copies of that face. And again, move that one. And again, go to the undo and apply it. So you can build up very rapidly all kinds of images and apply other filter effects, say blur, Gaussian blur, click apply, and then maybe apply it again. So you can just subtly bring back in the faces there, just using that undo brush. And then that's that. So that's snapshots. Super useful to simply create one. Just click the plus, give it a name. You can use colours with it, blurs, all kinds of different pattern designs, masking, and much, much more. And use the undo brush over here. Just select that. You've got all these settings, and also you've got even symmetry, so you can create some really interesting symmetrical designs as well. If you've got any questions, please put in the comments below. Thank you much.